Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Staffordshire University's eVision account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Staffordshire University's eVision account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Staffordshire University's eVision login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says eVision portal, which is from Staffordshire University. And after tapping on that, it will take you to this login page, and from here you can log into your account. So this login is for external users. So if you are a student or staff, what you can do is just tap on this option, Staffordshire University login, and after tapping on that you can log into your account. If you are a student or staff, you should use this. So if you are a student or a staff, you should use this, but if you are not, you are an external user, then you can just simply enter your username and password and then tap on login. After entering your details, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgotten your password, and after tapping on forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So just create a new password for your account and then come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Staffordshire University's eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.